Hey, Chad with Restless Rides. I've got another undercoating video for you. Guys, just because you have someone do it doesn't necessarily mean that they do good work. I'm going to show you this here, exactly what I'm talking about. We'll do a quick walkthrough on this for this vehicle here behind us. This isn't very old, and this is a typical undercoated vehicle as they come in. So I just want to show you what to look for here so you don't waste your money on hiring someone that's doing subpar work. So let's jump into this and let me show you what I found. All right, guys, here this is a classic example of what I'm talking about. Typically, this is covered with a plastic skid plate. These aren't nothing to remove, guys. That's why we have to remove this to get access to critical key components on your vehicle. This is another one that's been undercoated. Let me show you what I found here. Nothing has been sprayed anywhere on structural. This is the lower core support of the vehicle. This is the K-member, or your K-member, but your cradle for your engine and transmission. Not a single bit of anything has been sprayed on this at all. I mean, nothing, anywhere. Because typically this is underneath a piece of plastic. And you can see how the rust is starting up here on top. You can see where it's starting here. You know, all across through here, that's a hard edge. That's a hard edge, and that's typically where everything starts to rust at. So let's kind of come on back here. You can see the rust starting here. Again, there's no undercoating sprayed on this whatsoever. We get back to here. Okay, you can see the plastic here that we have to pull down to gain access to this stuff. It's not difficult to pull down. We just have to gain access to it to be able to spray it and properly undercoat these. Okay, this whole area here has had nothing sprayed on it. You can literally see where the plastic skid plate here, or the air dam, was. They just sprayed this little corner. Nothing here, nothing anywhere throughout the entire floorboards, running boards, around your gas tank, nowhere on either side. Let's come over to the passenger side. Okay, we can see a little bit of product that's been sprayed here. You can see that's black. You can see they really dumped it on there. I guess they wanted to make sure that you thought you got your money's worth. Look at here, not a drop of anything anywhere. You can see where the skid plate stops and what they sprayed. You can see the undercoating actually on the plastic skid plates. See where my finger is here? That's where it's peeling off. Okay, now let's come on back. Again, you got this little area here that they attempted to spray. Nothing here. Very little here on the bottom of the heat shield for your muffler. But over here, there's no skid plate or there's no plastic goes here. Nothing here has been sprayed at all. At least they got the passenger side. The driver's side, they never even attempted to spray. Okay, let's come on back here. You know, obviously the control arms, you can see how they're rusting. But this right here is where it's actually rusting through the undercoating. Looky here, guys. It's actually rusting through the undercoating that they put on here. So that's why I said, you know, not all undercoating is equal, and there's no one and done undercoating that's going to last the life of the vehicle. You got to periodically touch them up. You got to periodically have them resprayed. That's why the high viscosity oils really shine, guys, because one, they self-heal. You know, you typically don't have much of where it's rusting through the undercoating because the oil itself is blocking out the oxygen and moisture from getting to the steel. Also, it soaks into the steel. So this is just another classic of it's been undercoated. So guys, I wanted to just show you this so you know what to look for if you decide to have a dealership or whoever rust proof or undercoat your vehicle. So you know what to look for when you pick your vehicle up so you don't waste your money. So guys, if you want to learn more, we have a ton of videos on this channel. We have a lot of reviews, so check them out and let me know if you have any questions.